What's going on, everybody? I wanted to provide a day two for Pinterest and how you can produce affiliate links from Clickbank. First, you want to sign up for Pinterest. If you don't have a Pinterest account, you can use your current Pinterest account. You're going to come up here to create a pin, and it'll bring you to this stage. Now, what you can do is you pick a category, right? For example, we're going to use health and fitness. When you create a Clickbank account, you'll be open to different health and fitness affiliate links. Now, what I mean by that is you'll go to affiliate marketplace and it'll have different categories that you can promote for affiliation. We're going to scroll down here to health and fitness. What I like to sort by is gravity from high to low. This is what affiliates have seen right here, this gravity score. What affiliates have seen bring in from past results. So here you're gonna click promote, and then you'll enter in your account nickname that you've produced when signing up for Clickbank. Once you do that, you'll be given this hop link, and you'll just copy that affiliate hop link into your Pinterest. Now, going back to Pinterest, you're going to copy this link into the destination link. Now, once you get your link, you're going to Google for a picture, something around health, whatever category that you picked. Give a little bit of a title and a description. And then I've created a board called Healthy Lifestyle. I'm going to publish to that board, and that's it. I know there have been a lot of questions on step-by-step. If you do have questions, comment below, hit that follow button, join the community. We do have a free Discord that allows people to answer each other's questions and learn as we go along. Again, hit that follow button, hit that like, comment your questions. See you guys later.